people to even categorize you. Which one more you be phone no ye penny be A plus no ye penny Abraham no ye penny Captain Smart company I've sent on go nyika ka no kwano but company was say cross obi a oh mo dem mo pano kwancha kana mu jimi no was say cross obi a ana obi aba no ye penny wo twene je na so umia oba na wo twa da sen ka odwen ho no wo twu phone si so na wo de e wo kasa kwampa yanti na waka okay can still be brain hu hia or that's onya you guys just some of you just want to come live just to come and talk for people to watch you keke. Charlie, Ghana pass the Charlie. The nation can never be built based on this mere and stupidity of some of the youth. The munya sa man across Ghana hono. And the young guy before funa no ye Kufuor, no ye Ba or ye Mahama, no ye way, no ye NDC, no ye NPP. Charlie, you guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government to give you a job. Fine, there are certain things the government must do. They must fix the roads. Fine. That one definitely no. And any the government must fix the roads. The government must fix the roads. We understand that. They must fix the security system. Promo say you make America 10 to 15% per NIA government via public via. Nyaka individuals and companies they set it up. We can do the same thing in our nation, Ghana. Ghana for more America, more Germany, more together. Now, more such something. More can be you among Ghana. Ghana for good, also. But there's no country to conquer Ghana for you. Ghana for baby, Ghanaians are everywhere. We can do that. We can build a nation ourselves. We don't have to wait for any political party. We give this party 4, 5 years, 8 years. On bar, we feel like they're disappointing us. Then we wait for the next one to come. The same method, but by the time we realize no, we wouldn't be able to achieve our aims. So we catch on September, no. Oh my God, Murphy. So, and the science of the Munyai, because my person, I know your pa, but so and then the idea said most of you claim to be Christians. Most of you also claim to be Muslims. I don't pass a Corona church and many penny bupani. I don't say Bible church and many penny bupani. But because of politics, and Timothy be politics, be Jimmy some politics. Be abusing Ghana, be abusing Africa. And I'm politics like Jimmy Musa, youth and mobile. When I'm saying future generation, future leaders. Everything and what they know. But be a phone, no ye penny. They just take their phones, they come live, number live. It's very funny. They have people following you, whatever you guys are saying. Then I have a crow man. And then you are some Jimmy Seminole. And then you are some Jimmy Seminole. Now, oh, can you say, man, I see about online? No, yo, no, man, I see a comment. To say, what Jimmy say, Jimmy. If you're going through hardship, must you come out this way? Say, "Bia, you ma we school nyanyi no. Wo ya ban no, aban no me say bibia ya ban. Bibia ya ban. They can so am say ya tete abroche enya ya ho ne ya kasa. Ye metra Ghana. Jimmy Sam say ya, na kasa obi an to come America ha say ya. Nipa no e buy because of a hardship na. Some of us say, "Wow, you were Ghana crofo ye. Yes, also go school ah. Yes, also even though it's say no, we are citizens so, but we don't plan to stay here." Ye plans about town one Ghana. And Chadia is upon and yes, you idea be a normal air common. You swing near Bini Ghana, you buy a terrible man. The Benamo Mobacromo say, the Moon Masabia, which is a Moon Ghana who be. Some of you come here, you don't think about Ghana again, you just want to live your life. You just want to have your house be in Ghana and your car, you can't pass it. You don't plan to go school. You remember Monco school, Jimmy Sam, when I come on. Me say, Skebia. Sa allowance here, edema first ladies, first and second lady. I idea order that. And then, Lord, Madam Lodina Mahama or GB. Emma Becky, or also GB. And nobody can go and tell them so be a refund this cannot. And then more you guys should speak to your MPs to go and make sure that they will stand against the constitution. Now I'm making amendments because the law provides that for them. Our constitution says a mom allowances. And just say, oh, you're so naive, that's what need BBR, we need factor. Don't just take a phone and come and sell Ghana in a very bad way to people. Say, oh man, Ghana, no, leave the studies kind of mom with the Jimmy Sam. Yeah, my wife, and then by force, say, on refund this KBR, what dear, what dear. Yeah, my Becky, or so in the call. I find, I got to me, actually. A simple thing. When you say Jimmy, some na use no be atwefo na bibi kiti bi ba bibi kiti bi ba be no be atwefo asile so na Jimmy some nkwasasem ko a because you guys suppose there's freedom of speech, anybody can talk anyhow. Jimmy some say mun sua hwe Jimmy ko a na bibi na Jimmy and so there no na manya company phobia sabi we think say they are so enlightened no almost supporting him in a very bad way. Captain Smart, yeah, tell us, also a freedom fighter. Monta, where the moment I say, you guys call yourself freedom fighters. Monta say, Martin Luther King, more and somebody knows how many freedom fighters now. Go to me, say, come on, Abraham Moshe, we say, on fire. Some more sponsor just to come on air and come and speak. So the book is some Jimmy cry too much. Me who been put up. Once I'm question, I was on ye after the home. Oh, Abraham, and say, what's your platform? So, say, face the country the Monamo Coqueno. Or be for contribution, move for bass, my usual. Cape Coast, my fabas, you take buses from all over the regions. So people should send more money to you, Abraham. Oh, when you finish, come and talk and say, you know, more sorry, Ajumani ho. The little that they have, you want to brainwash them to send the money to you. What do you want? Tell me whatever job that you have. Say, Ajuma, we have to see us. But me, who tell me to man out here no? When you Jimmy no, when you Jimmy na sabu much one must in maybe anyone. America, no, America has a company. I'm with the America to a company. I'm the with God. What I say, they will tell you in God we trust. Your so-called Nanoma must say, Omuja man, Nanoma Boam, Nanoma is so powerful. Nanoma they could have developed the nation Ghana a long time. Tama Christianity, I must say Emma Ghana no. So Nanoma. So you believe in Nanoma, they are so powerful. Nanoma, like we have to go back to our roots. They should have done a lot of things for Ghana. If they are so powerful. If the Nanoma are so powerful, they should have done a lot of things for Ghana. And yes, and then because I'm not Christian Bianco Honko say. Na Christianity in Ghana and say more bosom no. So what I say? Then say more bosom no. So if you think that Nanano is so powerful, now ancestors are so powerful. Then can come Ghana a long time. Come Ghana a long time, and you guys will wake up and come on social media and come and say all kind of nonsense against the leaders. And I want to know, and then I got a satire now. I don't support anybody or come or Baba page, not by yet and leaders. Also, we say, oh, Papa, no, my baby. You are not done with on your moon yet. On your Papa, no, my yet. So, when young son also saw about Jim said, your forefathers want to tell us the respect to Pennyfua, who made your man, Pennyfus and Pennyfona, or my Jimmy. What Jimmy said, who will be Jimmy? When Jimmy Young also be so Jimmy. Who will be Jimmy? But me and I could follow money, my money, selling Katamana, 77 use more young. Me, I don't speak in favor of any political party, but some Jimmy as a mum, some Jimmy. Some of them are young, or be your moya or more be and come or bushing and come on Kanyamade. Huh? And come on, come on the back of home. And I will be a me uncle, MP, and I'll be a me uncle, Minister of Education. And come on, come on the back of home. Mama Jina can send me a Kedamon Cosa. And A plus and Captain Smart, one and 1 year no Casa. With him a foot and a num. With him a foot. Oh, got a chef if I owe Jazz away and Pipini. Stop inciting the youth against the leaders. Now, youth now, young son, one day they also grow up, they will come and take positions. say man ya say Jimmy so na kwaso Ghana na obi a twefo sin so na oye mpanifo na mo youth na mo so mo ba na mo support no because of party be supporting no our opposition no over me akasa tia leader be ya over one day people will also vote for you. One day people also vote for you. Adam mo tika na ha bo bi na mo Jimmy